Hello everyone, today this is an early Christmas gift. I'm going to be unboxing this MTA bus depot set. So here's the front of it. Here's the city bus wooden roadway. So yeah, now let's open it up. So yeah, here it is. So yeah. Let's see what's in here. It's just nothing. So here's the book thing. Here are the bus things. So yeah. Now let's unbox them. So we got an Orion VII original generation bus. So here's the front of it, here's the side. It has a black back, and then here's the other side. It's electric. Orion VII. Now let's open the next one up. Which it is a RTS Nova bus. I already have one of these, but it's cool anyway. GMC RTS bus. So yeah, and now the final one, the Nova bus. Here it is, the Nova bus. Here's the back of it. The back looks like a Nova Bus LFS 4th generation bus. The top of it. So yeah, it's a cool bus. So you can get this one out without having to buy this depot. You can get this one without having to buy this depot. But this one, if you want it, you have to buy it with the depot set. I don't know why, but yeah. So here's the depot set. So here it is. I'm filming this with a phone. So here it is. Here's it. Okay, so we put it. So yeah, here it is. So yeah, they have 2 depots. So you just drive one bus here, another bus here, and then another bus here. Or you can put them in this one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.